Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share you Jatayu Earth Center. Why this Jatayu Earth Center has created. So the story began here. There's a bird called Jatayu. It was Rama's favorite bird. So when Rama's wife Sita was kidnapped, Jatayu went to protect Sita and it got injured. And one wing has got swiped off. So when it fell on a rock, there was a pond created and the water will never drain in that pond. This is why the Kerala authorities has decided to create a sculpture of a bird called Jadayu. So this is the largest bird statue all over the world, and a lot of people all over the world which come and visit this place. The way which we go on top of the Jadayu is with the help of the cable car. This cable car has been imported by Switzerland authorities. It gives an additional touch to this project and it gives an amazing view while traveling in this cable car. You can see the views and stones and other facilities which the Jadayu is offering us while traveling on this cable car. There's a helicopter pad. The quality of the cable car is so good that you'll feel protected while traveling in it, and there are some safety rules which we have to follow while entering into the cable car. There's a GPS watch also they are providing while we are entering into the Earth Center. Traveling in the cable car is a good experience by having this amazing view all around the Jatayu Earth Center, and the construction which is still going on is visible when we are traveling in this cable car. So we have almost reached the destination. At the first glance of the sculpture, I felt amazed because I have not seen anything like this in my life. This is the biggest bird statue in the world. A lot of students, photographers used to come here and take the photos of the sculpture. Statue of the bird is so huge, like after zooming in you can see the people around it will be like tiny. So you can see how the bird sculpture look, and we have an ongoing stage which is being built if there is some function, and we have a restaurant next to it. The sculpture, if we are hungry or something, we can grab a snack, and the view from here is amazing. Like, it's totally mind-blowing view we will get on top of this Jatayu sculpture. And we can see people are still pouring in the cart. So this is my visit to Jatayu Earth Center. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe.